5 financial myths that you need to unlearn right now. There's a whole wide world of financial advice out there, some good and some bad. Okay, maybe some really bad is a strong word, but depending on your financial goals, certain advice could steer you in the wrong direction. On this channel, my goal is to give you a financial education that's based on the principles of building a high net worth through performing assets. That's at the heart of what we do here. You work hard. You buy performing assets, they provide cash flow every month, and you're able to live with that cash flow. That's the goal. So with these goals in mind, today we're going to cover 5 common financial myths that you need to unlearn. Let's get into it. Number 1, the first myth is that you should buy everything with cash. Now look, the Dave Ramseys of the world discourage you from using credit, and I think that's a huge mistake. I'm not saying you should go out and buy cars and TVs that you can't afford with credit. But in order to build a sizable real estate portfolio, you'll probably need to use financing. The key here is to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is when you use a loan to buy something that puts money in your pocket every month, like a rental property. Bad debt is when you use financing to buy liabilities, like cars and boats. If you stop demonizing debt and you see the value in utilizing it in a financially intelligent way, you'll be better off. Number 2, here's another financial myth that you need to understand. A lot of people think you need thousands of dollars to invest. You actually don't. It's true that if you want to buy a performing asset like a rental property, that the barrier to entry can be higher because you're making a down payment out of your own money than using financing for the rest. But that's not the only way to start earning returns. Here's a far more accessible way to get your foot in the door for real estate investing. You can invest in real estate notes. Now, we've partnered up with a company called Connect Invest that allows you to start earning returns for as little as $500. That's all you need to start. Connect Invest offers real estate notes that are short notes. They deliver a 7.5 to 9% return on that investment. So you've got $2,000, $3,000, or $1,000 laying around. Why not put it to work? And then you can choose the note length anywhere from 6 months to 24 months. And the ROI is more than double any of the traditional savings accounts out there or CDs that your banker is going to recommend. You can use my link, which you can open a free account and you'll invest $500 or more, and you'll receive a $50 bonus just for signing up, but you have to use our link. I will have that in the show description below. If you go to morrisinvest.com/connect, you get that $50 bonus. And if you're new to investing, this is an incredible way to start watching your dollars grow because if you need a down payment that's like $30,000 or $40,000, but you've got $20,000, well, take that 20, put it in here, let it grow at 8-9% a year, right? And that's a fantastic way to watch that money growing right now. And then you'll build up that savings over the course of a year, a couple of years, and then you'll have enough for a down payment on a rental property, and boom, you're off to the races. Or, simply add more assets to your balance sheet. There's no minimum credit score or any type of requirement. All you need is $500. That's it. So see if it's a fit for you. Go over to morrisinvest.com/connect to get that $50 bonus. And even if you just put a little side money in there, almost everyone on our team here at Morris Invest has done this just for some of the money that used to be sitting in a savings account. So it's a really fantastic way to let some of that grow. Number 3, relying on outdated retirement practices. We're living in a different world than our parents did, and grandparents, of course. If you're banking on a 401k or Social Security check to fund your retirement, the outlook is pretty bleak. In the description box below, I'm going to link you to some of my most recent videos on retirement. I hope you'll go and watch them, okay? They're powerful. And why you need to come up with a different plan if you want to build wealth and have a comfortable retirement plan that spans years, not decades. So watch those videos below. We'll have them down in the description. Number 4, building a nest egg. Most people have been taught the idea of building a nest egg, the importance of saving their pennies, right? But the whole idea of a piggy bank is based on this, right? But here's the bad thing about a pile of cash. It eventually runs out. When you rely on saving money alone, your money is finite. If you want to actually build wealth, you'll need streams of cash from performing assets that come in every month or every quarter. Number 5, living on one earned income. Most people have one source of income, earned income, right? 9 to 5 job. The average millionaire has seven streams of income. Even if you have no intention of becoming a millionaire, it's a great idea to build out multiple streams of passive income in order to live a comfortable life. So there you have it. 5 pervasive myths that you need to unlearn right now on your path to financial freedom. And when you understand that a lot of these myths come from the government and Wall Street, they want you to believe these myths. They make money off of you believing these false ideas. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Did any of this resonate with you? Leave me a comment. Some of these ideas about money can become so ingrained in our brains that it can take a lot of work and time to overcome them. If you're interested in learning more about buying performing assets, namely rental properties in the country's most landlord-friendly states, my team offers free appointments. We'll jump on the phone with you totally for free, okay? Head on over to our website, go to morrisinvest.com, click on the big book a call button right there on your screen. A little calendar will pop up, and you just tell us when you'd like us to give you a call. Be sure to check out this next video, 5 simple steps to start investing like a pro. Watch that video, and we'll see you next time, everyone.